I hope you've spent a wonderful winter solstice yesterday. I did a little bit of tarot card readings and, lit a lot of candles, and then in the evening went to the cinema, which was really nice. Watched a really stupid yet funny movie. And I might go and see Rogue One again somewhere next week, or one more like tomorrow. Hold on, I'm on focus, I might not. Well, never mind. Yeah, and in the meantime, I'm of course enjoying the beautiful snow. Maybe this side is better. Yeah, better light from this side. But yeah, I've also managed to hurt one of my back muscles. It's really tense and I can hardly move. But now it's better because I've done some warm-up exercises. But oh well. I'm really unlucky with these, and it doesn't go away for a long time usually. So I have to endure the painful truth of not being able to move. Oh my. Oh gosh, look at this beautiful view. And this is where we're heading. The Wintery forest. Yes. Coat. This coat, by the way, because I've been asked a lot since since it's winter again, and since I keep wearing my clothes again. It's been custom made, so there is not a particular place to buy it. It's a custom made cloak that I ordered and had made, and I now said it twice, I think. Let's have one more look at the beautiful area. I'm already very much looking forward to the remaining days until the 24th, which is the day for celebrations. We usually put up the tree on the 24th, somewhere in the afternoon, and then around 7 p.m. we usually tend to start the celebrations, light all the candles on the tree and exchange the presents and sing our songs. And afterwards also eat, because eating is part of the feast, and my aunt and my grandmother are going to come over. It's going to be great fun. And then the days after will also be spent with celebrations, as I have many people that I want to celebrate with, and they will all be given their time for celebration. Yes, this is really fluffy. This thing, by the way, is a costume pot actually, and it comes with a hood. It comes with a hood. It's so nice and cozy. I love this thing. It's so warm and it fits my coat very well. Oh, look at that. Some little footprints. He's saying Happy Yule to everyone, aren't you?